What's up, guys, and welcome back to FOSS Institute. And today we are back again with another video, and we will be focusing on creating the hands on this one, as I have already mentioned. And then after this episode, we start to make our character to talk. So let's just get straight to it. Then we just zoom in from here. I have already created the first level of my character. Come here. Then you just go straight to this one. This is the first hand of my character. So I think this is our hand. This is our right hand. Come here and just put this one correctly. This is our right hand. I think, what about I quickly create the left hand, then I quickly link it. Then the left hand, then I link it right now before I even forget, because I really love to forget to do this. Just drag it backwards, just like that. You just move, just make sure you put it there. Then you take this one, you just connect it there, just like that. Okay, so we're gonna start with the right hand. So I think the right one is this one. Let me just make sure this is the right arm, because sometimes things happen that you rename them incorrectly. So maybe I also did the same mistake. I renamed everything incorrectly. This is how I usually view it. I think it's the right one. I'm correct. I linked everything correctly. So as I've already mentioned, I'll start with the right hand. So with my hand, I just want to keep it very simple. Zoom in. You won't believe, when I was creating like the hand, I actually did my hand. So for this one, I just want to come here to the, do it like that, Control Z, because we are in the wrong layer. We're in the wrong layer. What's this? This is a shoe. Where's our right one? Select that one. And we're on our right. Make sure you're on the right one. Make sure there's so much drawings. Okay, I think we're gonna start with our left one. It doesn't matter actually which one you start with. I'm just kind of too lazy to create, and I want to keep this video a little bit shorter than other videos. So let's just move like that. Let's move like that. Let's move like that. Actually, what about we just move from here to there? Then we move from here to there. Then we move from here to there. Something like that. Then we move from here to there. From here to there. From here to there. Then we zoom in. Click E. Then just remove all, like, now we're doing up the cleanup. Okay, just do it like this. When you're doing the cleanup, I think that looks great. If there was a way to copy, I'll just copy this hand, then I put it that way, that side. But I still need someone to teach me. How to copy. Just come here, just Control C, then that one. Come straight to the hand. Then I didn't select the hand. Then if I didn't, what did I select? From there, you Control V, click F, then you just paste it like that. Then I'll go back, make sure my laptop is getting low. What hand is this? Okay, this is the right one. Okay, let's just make sure everything's on point. Or you can just actually draw it from this side, just to make sure that the hands are equal. From here to there. From there to here. From here to there. From here to there. Then you can just quickly zoom in. Space. You just move like that. Then where will be our thumb? I think it will be around this area. Here from there. Then you click E. Then you remove all the unnecessary parts. Click E again. G, Control Z. I think this hand is a little bit bigger than another hand. And just click S, scale it a little bit downwards. A little bit like that. Then I can just click F, then straight there, select that one, zoom it out a little. Let's go, let's just select S, select everything like that. Let's go there and put it like that, just like that. I think it just looked perfect. Make sure like the hand is below the T. This one needs to be below the T, have to be on top. I don't know if I am making sense or what, but this should be on that side. This should be on that side. Select it. Make sure you're on S. Select. Then you quickly do it like that. Select everything. Then you move like that. That side is also looking great. Then finally, we are 100% done with our character. So the only thing that I will be doing in the next episode, I will be showing you how to make your character to actually talk, speak, or whatever you want the character to do. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this one. I hope to see you on the next one.